everyone, and welcome back to What's in Your Wardrobe with Amy. And you know, shopping can be very exciting, but I have learned over the years that it's really easy to get caught up in the moment and buy those things that end up sitting in the back of your closet. So today I thought I would like to share 5 little habits I do before I buy anything. They help me avoid impulse shopping, save money, and to make sure my closet's filled with the pieces I will actually wear and love. Now, I'm not perfect because I do experience impulsive shopping time to time, but I'm really trying to take the time to do these 5 habits before I make any purchases. Tip number 1, first I always check the fabric tag to see what the garment material is made out of. I know it sounds a little bit boring, but trust me, it makes a huge difference. Like fabrics like cotton, linen, wool, silk, that usually help you breathe better and feel more comfortable and actually hold up longer over time versus synthetic fibers like polyester or nylon. Definitely have their place. I do wear them too. But investing in a piece I really want to wear long term, I lean more towards natural fibers. This habit alone helps me pick out sustainable pieces. The next valuable tip, inspect the condition of the tag. Even when something's brand new, I kind of give it a once over. I check the stitching, make sure the seams are secure and well done. I look at the details like the buttons and zippers, and sometimes you will notice those loose threads, uneven stitching, or even those holes. But does it look cheap? So when I take a glance, I know right off the bat usually if it's not made well, and that kind of solidifies for me saving my money and not buying that piece and knowing that it's gonna come apart in the next few washes. Now this next tip I found out a while back. So next, I like to do a quick price check through my phone. So sometimes stores and websites don't always price match, and Old Navy, for example, I really like them because a lot of their prices are cheaper online versus what they are in store. So when I come to the counter, I like to show the sales associate that the online price is definitely different than the store price, and they will do the price match, which is a big plus. And I found that out that they can do this, and this has helped me save a lot of dollars, and that honestly adds up over time. Tip number 4. This is the most important part. I will stop and ask myself these 2 questions. 1, will I wear this more than a couple of times? And 2, can I pair it with at least 3 or 4 items I already own in my closet? I know this tip isn't new, but I feel it's a very important one, and it helps you kind of reflect on what you currently have in your closet, and it actually can help you save money down the road. And if you can't answer yes to both of these questions, I usually will put it back. So I've noticed this helps me avoid these cute but practical buys that I end up taking up space in my wardrobe and I don't ever wear it. So trust me, I would definitely use this tip. My last tip, and finally before I commit to buying something new, I will check resale sites like eBay, Poshmark, or even ThredUp. You'll be surprised of how many people will buy something, never wear it, and then they'll resell it maybe for half the price or a little bit lower. So if you're open to secondhand shopping, this is a great way to find those deals. And sometimes you can't even snag those items that are sold out in stores. Trust me, I have done that before, where, for example, I found this cute cardigan online. Of course, it was sold out everywhere in stores. And I found it on Poshmark, and I was super excited when I bought it. So yes, it definitely can happen. So those are my 5 things I always do before I buy any clothes. They have helped me shop more intentionally and feel good about the pieces I bring home to put into my closet. So I would love to know, do you have your own little shopping rules or habits that you follow? Can you share them in the comments? Because I'm always curious, because I like to hear how other people shop and maybe I'll learn from their tips. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more wardrobe tips and fashion chats. And thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.